utomthola ngwane
Whoever that is telling you that is lost.
is lost kanjani
Mawangena esontweni waba nomuntu ozokutshela ukuthi upholisa uBarnabas.
Alothi bayasho lothi.
lothi bayasho
Hayi abanye ngisebenza nabo bayasho.
yes
Yeah. They are wrong.
and
Listen.
lothi ngicela ukukhuluma into eyi-one
because
yes
one rotten potato can spoil the whole packet.
Yeah.
Angisho iMutsipe Foundation sayibona sonke ne.
yes
iBishop yeZion Christian Church uShembe nabo labomdise laba. I'm talking about African traditional churches now.
yes
Are they saying uNkulunkulu kaShembe uNkulunkulu kaBarnabas, or are they saying arapeleng ka lebizo la Morena Jesu Kristo wa Nazareth la ntate le moro le moyo halalela?
hayi lothi asigugule siyibone
Hayi
ukuthi
before speaking
asigugule sisho ukuthi isho kanjalo na
before speaker kumagugu.
Yeah.
because of me I don't remember
umadala ne umadala akasho yena leyo
Bishops are not saying that.
exactly
How can you say it when a Lothi-
but ama congregants lothi
Yeah.
ayasho
Amen, ngiyavuma. And again, I am saying to you,
ayasho ama
it is not the teaching of the leaders.
okay
Bayibonephi
asilungise
le nto
kanje
I'll tell you why bonephi. Yeah.
mamela
Amen.
lothi manje
Can I
angizoma
answer ukuthi bayizwe?
ithi ngicela ukukulungisa kancane manje angizokhuluma uRamaphosa angeke athi